To replace Junior's edge sensors, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, the flathead screwdriver included in his box, and a new set of edge sensors. Before starting any repair on Junior, turn his side power switch off and remove his dustbin. Then flip Junior over onto a flat surface and remove his main brush using the flathead screwdriver. Keep all removed screws and parts safely aside, as they may be needed for later reassembly. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 7 screws on Junior's underside that hold him together. There are 5 screws along the edges of Junior, 1 screw on each side of the front wheel, 1 screw to the right of the main brush motor, and 1 screw on each side of the dustbin. The final 2 screws are in Junior's brush compartment. Junior's cover is no longer secured, so hold the top and bottom together as you carefully flip him back onto his wheels. Grip Junior's cover from the back and lift up to expose the mainboard. Slide the power inlet down and tuck it somewhere safe to avoid compressing its wires. Disconnect 4 circuit plugs, 2 at the lower edge of the mainboard near the wheels, and 2 more at the top edge near the bumper. There are 4 edge sensors on Junior's underside, along his front. There are 2 screws holding each sensor in place. Remove all 8 screws and save them for later reassembly. Feed the wiring for the 2 outermost sensors out from under the mainboard, toward Junior's front wheel. Do not remove the plastic sensor covers from inside Junior. If a cover moves out of place, simply place it back in the appropriate spot. Next, disconnect the sensors from the mainboard. Push the small tab on the side of the circuit plug and pull up to unplug. Now plug the new edge sensors to the top of the mainboard. Feed the wires for the 2 outermost sensors underneath the mainboard and replace them with the green side facing up. Reinstall the 2 screws on each sensor. Once all the sensors are secured, you're ready to close Junior's cover. Reattach all 4 circuit plugs connecting Junior's cover to the mainboard. There are 2 that connect to the top edge of the mainboard, and 2 more that connect to the bottom edge. Remember to slide the power inlet back into its space on Junior's cover. Align the cover's edges precisely. Then flip Junior over onto a flat surface. Reinstall all 7 screws previously removed from Junior's underside. Install the main brush and dustbin before your next use, and Junior is completely reassembled. Turn the side power switch back on, and congratulations! You've just replaced Junior's edge sensors. Happy cleaning!